Before we can look at how to find correlation in Excel, we need to make sure that we have the package enabled. So what you're going to do, File and then Options, then you will click Add-ins, go to Analysis Toolpak, and when it should say Manage Excel Add-ins, we will click Go. You should have multiple options here. You will just click the first add-in, hit OK, and now on our Data tab we see that we have this new Data Analysis box. Now that we have this box, we can begin to analyze the correlation. So first you will go to Data and then go to this Data Analysis we just added. Click on Correlation, OK, and then you will put in the input range that you desire to look at. I want to look at all three of these columns, so I will highlight all three, and since I want to include the names in the final result, I will click Labels in First Row because the first row is just the names of the variables. I want this added on as a new worksheet, so I will not do anything here unless I wanted to name it. I'll just name it Correlation. And once you click OK, we now have a correlation tab, and this is showing you the correlation between the three variables.